Hello guys, and it's time to implement the same thing we did in the previous video with the Golang. We actually use the select statement and run 2 times more order than refound, because it takes less time from the refound process actually. And now it's time to do the same thing with the Python. The Python async IO has no such built-in thing like select statement or something similar, but we can achieve the same output, actually the same work, by changing our code a bit. So let's just dig into the code and make some change. And the change starts from changing this process, asynchronous process method. We need to add this sleep time, the argument, and pass this sleep time to this process, the method. Yes, and we don't need to to print this because we have the different output here. So we need to order process and refound process, and that's it. But what we need here in other the asynchronous function, which is going to process the channel, and it will accept the channel itself and sleep time as well. And then we are going to asynchronously for in the past channel as we did previously. So we are going to await here for sleep time, for given sleep time, and print this item processed. Another change should go inside the main function, because in the Go code we have created 2 channels, so we need to do the same thing here. So channel 1 and channel 2, and also we need to pass to create actually 2 Go routines here with refund, but we need to pass as well the sleep time, and this is a half second, and this is a 1 second. Another thing, so we need to get rid of this here. And now so we have passed the process and order the channels, but it should be second channel, and it's going to add asynchronously the generated values, the item item into the channel 5 times here, because we have this range here. Another thing we need to do is just asynchronously also the process through this channel. So I'm going to create 2 tasks here, async IO, so create task, and it should accept this C1 and same amount of the sleep time for the first channel. And also I'm going to create this the second process channel for second channel, and of course with the same amount of sleep time. And of course we have created tasks, and it should be awaited. So await task 2, and await task 1. Await task 1. Let's run if it works or not. So order refound 2 times order, then refound 2 times order, then 3 times the process. So this is the exact output. So order process and refound. Let's see. So order process and refound process, then 2 times order. Yeah, that's 2 times then refound, and 2 times order, and at the end 3 times refound. So amazing, great stuff. So what we did here, we have created two channel types. We have created two Go routines. Actually, they are tasks in the background. And another thing that after we have added the same amount of items into the channel with the given fixed sleep time, we need to create another task which is going to process these channels, again asynchronously, and with the same amount sleep time. That's how actually we can achieve at the same functionality where we did with the Golang. So with Golang, it's using select, and whenever something appeared, the first time that appeared inside the channel, it will pick it up. Here's the same thing, so it will do actually async IO's event loop handles this for us, so we don't need explicitly to show that hey, I need this 2 times order, because it takes less time than the refound action. So that's basically the same how we achieve the same functionality with Golang and with Python's async IO. And I think we are done for this topic, and then we'll see actually in the next topic what we have in my notes. So yeah, that's it for now, and let's see you in the next video. Bye.